Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad lettuce. Start by choosing crisp heads and rinsing leaves under cold water. Trim the core and separate leaves gently. Dry thoroughly with a salad spinner or clean towels to ensure crispness. Tear or chop to preferred size, keeping leaves large for texture. Store in a breathable container with a paper towel to keep lettuce fresh for several days. Gently clean lettuce by soaking leaves in cold water for a few minutes to loosen debris. Lift leaves out rather than pouring water through them to avoid reintroducing dirt. Use a salad spinner to remove excess moisture quickly and maintain crisp texture. If you lack a spinner, layer leaves in a clean towel and pat dry. Proper drying keeps dressings from diluting and preserves crunch in every bite. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful food tips. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's black ice makes your car smell great after farm market trips and keeps produce smells pleasant on the drive home. It's a small, funny way to keep things fresh between cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Tearing lettuce by hand preserves delicate structure and keeps leaves from bruising the way a knife can. When chopping, use a sharp knife and cut just before serving to prevent brown edges. Store prepared lettuce in a breathable container lined with a paper towel to absorb excess moisture and extend crispness. Place in the crisper drawer of your fridge and check daily, replacing the paper towel as needed to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.